Now, the pyramids are a little bit different, and this is why I talked about my Dr. Pepper. So if I talk about a pentagonal prism, oh, that's definitely a hexagon. Where did my pentagon one go? So if I talk about this, I'm going to fill it with Dr. Pepper and hopefully not spill it everywhere. So if I fill, notice my pyramid, and I'm going to turn the camera just a little bit so you can see. So you can see that the pyramid does not fill the whole thing. And I'm going to pour it into the prism. And I'm going to do this a couple of times. So you can notice that it does not fill the entire pyramid. So I've done it once, there's twice, and there's 3 times. I didn't fill it perfectly and I spilt some. You can see that I spilt some. So if I did this perfect, you would find that the volume of the pyramid, sorry, that was probably really loud in your ears. So the volume of the pyramid was 1/3 of this pentagon right here. So what we do for volume of pyramids is you say volume equals, and it's 1/3, and that's always the case. So 1/3 the volume of the prism that has the same base and the same height. So it's 1/3. Again, the B stands for area of base, and then the H stands for height. Cone is the same thing. It would just be 1/3 the area of the base is still pi r squared. Sphere is a little bit different. I'm not going to show you where that comes from, but volume of a sphere is 4/3, so this one you just have to memorize, 4/3 pi r cubed. And that is how you find. So you are going to look for the radius. So if this was 2, you would plug 2 into this equation and multiply it all out. Now, if I had a pyramid that had the same area of the base, and I said area of the base is 25 centimeters squared. Remember, the volume would be the same exact volume except for it's only 1/3 of it. So I would still just do volume equals 1/3 area of the base times the height. So it'd be 1/3 times 25 times 10. Because area of the base, it told me, was 25. 10 is the height. So I would do 1/3. Remember, to type fractions in a calculator, you do top divided by bottom times 25 times 10. So it would be 83.33. Now notice it would be centimeters cubed because it's now a 3-dimensional shape, not a 2-dimensional shape. And that would be how you find the volume of a pyramid. This was volume